This is Siri. You have 4 miles to go before you end up in the lake. Badass. You want to call your mama? You Annie? Cherie? I'm ready not to let her get you. Never fear. Pop is here. Just lay your head down. I will not let her get you, I promise. You're in the best hands and care you can be in ever. Don't mess my wall. Let my wall on. Hey. You're in the best hands ever. But don't mess with my wall. No, why you gonna stick your finger in my mouth? Where's your hand, man? Nah. You must miss me today. Or that boy in there making him mad.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna lay up with the baby. Tell me you ain't down with it. Okay. Okay. All right,